Hi, once again I'm back, Kausi Chatterjee. In this video again we are going to discuss the same series. This is all about your share market. This is all about your stock market, and here we are going to discuss the ongoing discussion, and that is how to choose your right share or right even stock itself. And couple of videos, couple of discussion already we have made, and we have already discussed already. So if you have not watched, just go and watch all those videos, and then you can come back to this video so that you will be having a better understanding like what exactly we are going to discuss the topic in this video itself. Now here again we are going to discuss a new topic on your valuation, how to choose even a right shares or stock. And the new topic over here, it is all about your P and B. Again a new abbreviation, P, capital B, capital P, and B is capital B. What is all about? Price to book. Most of the people, even they are already in the market, they are already even investing, they will be knowing what exactly P and B. But yes, people are, let's say somebody is going to start, or somebody is a newcomer in this stock market. So for that, these are the terminology. It is very, very important to understand. And price to book. Typically, if I look out, it is all about your price to book. Means on what price I can book my shares, on what price even I can even buy your shares. So nobody is going to tell you, nobody is going to particularly even tell you like this is the price even you can book it, this is the price even you are going to hold it, this is the price even you can just wait for this. This is all your own prediction, this is all your own analysis, this is all your own research. Maybe you are doing alone or somebody else doing on behalf of you, a team or a analysis team, or maybe a fund management team, whatever xyz people. But yes, the procedure it is same, like how you can even bank on any of this stock, any of the shares. So you have to understand at what price you have to book your shares, and that is all about your price to book. Now, how do you understand this? You might be again, I couple of uh, other videos even already I have mentioned. So whatever company, whatever shares particularly you are going to invest, so you have to analyze about this industry, you have to analyze about this company even, let's say a certain duration period, how this company's performance, how exactly they are getting the profit, how exactly they are getting the orders, or maybe any new project, any new dividend they have announced or not. All those informations, pin to pin, you have to analyze. You have to keep it at your fingertips, or maybe a note. Why? Because on this way you can understand what exactly the price, maybe x, maybe y, maybe z, you have to book your even shares, so that there is always, let's say, a trigger point. Let's say I can say, rather than this I can say, let's say a kind of a limiting point. I can give you a simple example. If somebody is already, let's say, a faculty of chemistry, or let's say somebody in from that same, let's say, uh, I mean, portfolio only, there will be a lot of even test. I can say even there will be a ring test. I think very popular even in our school days. Even we also haven't gone through all those tests. Just for example, just to make you understand what exactly a particular, let's say, sulfuric acid, even you put it, so what will happen, the color will automatically change and it will make you a ring. That means what, before putting that particular acid or pouring that particular acid, it was a different, or maybe now after pouring this acid even the color is different. Means what, that is all about your trigger point, a limiting point. That point only you have to book your price. So come back to our discussion. I'm not here for any kind of chemistry lab or any kind of chemistry example. This is just to make you understand a better way, like so that we also can understand what exactly the price to book point we are going to discuss, what exactly we are discussing over here. So this is the point you have to book it. Now average, if I give you a range, a ratio, always these are all your ratio. So ratio between 1 to 5, let's say if I give you a standard even ratio for price to book, means what? In this range, if I book it, probably my profit, my chances of getting money or returns, or maybe my profit, it would be on a better way. Because I know this ratio, it's showing like it's a very healthier kind of shares, or maybe it is very healthier kind of stock, and that shows this ratio is very very important. Because if I'm not even going to understand this ratio, if I don't know what exactly the price I need to book, when I need to book, so I'm not going to book my profit itself, I'm not going to book my return itself. That's what you have to understand. And you have to analyze this price to book, P and B concept, the ratio, what ratio you need to book it, what ratio you need to release the share. Even though, as I always told you, like there is everything is unpredictable in the market, but at least with this analysis, you know up to what percentage when you can gain, up to what percentage when you can make out of your loss. All this analysis, all those points, even if you work it on your analysis, your research, and I think you can expect some good returns. You can expect also a good profit, and definitely more and more important thing is you can stay over a period of time and make more money over here. Because there is always a negative mind always says, like, if I'm not going to make a profit, if I'm going to, let's say whatever xyz amount I've already invested, if I'm not getting this money back, so how can I invest for the next? So these are the things to avoid all those things and stay positive, stay even profitable in the market. These are the concept you have to understand, and this is for your own even profit, not somebody else. So if all those videos, whatever so far I've already made it from the beginning one, I'm just talking, if any of the videos is really helping in your personal life, or maybe let's say your, I mean personal life in the sense on personal, your investment, or let's say on your making money, or let's say on your profit, whatever the topic so far we have made it, I'll be the happiest one. Because that is my only intention with all my 20 plus years experience, whatever I'm just making these videos with all my experience, all my case studies. And maybe few of you would have been asking a lot of questions. I will be very much like I mean, overwhelming if you are going to ask me a lot of questions. If you are asking me for a live session, and then I can come, I can interact with you, all of you, so that because here, whatever I'm just doing on my schedule planned, or maybe a schedule even designed, even discussion on it. If anything else, if you want to know, because that is for your help. Otherwise, I'll be coming with some of the topics, some of this, let's say series, and then I'm going to present over here. Thanks. Thanks for watching.